Hi, I'm Brian Clark with Colorado Underground Detection. I find leaks. That's primarily what I do. I was called out to this specific job to locate a leak at a camp up in the mountains. So today I opted to dive the tanks. There's a lot of gear that goes into finding leaks. Scuba tanks, onboard air that's coming from the compressor. Dry suit because the temperature out here, we have snow on the ground right now. I am a certified scuba diver and firefighter, and I've got a lot of great guys standing by. We got lowered in with a tripod over the top of the tank. The tank was probably a good 8 feet deep and about 30 feet long. The water temperature is probably around 40. It was really cold. The first tank was fiberglass, and I was able to locate some linear fractures that traveled about 4 feet along the side of the tank. So we suggest that maybe the ground movement, expansion, contraction of soils caused it to fracture. It was pulling a tremendous amount of water into the system. I was able to do an actual visual inspection as well as a dye test. Usually when dye pulls, it shows you where water is moving. When I went to where the water is coming into the tank, I had a massive amount of flow coming into the tank. And when I went over and did a dye test around the actual fractures, I was able to see dye around those fractures. And then I also checked on the offset by just feeling the fractures. There's a pretty massive offset. Diving today, we were able to actually locate the leak that's been haunting this place for quite a while, for a number of years actually.
Ryan, you just dived our 2 tanks successfully, and now we know.
Primary reason I'm in business is to conserve water. Water is not a finite resource. It's something that we need to focus more on in the future. So today we saved them 6 gallon per minute loss. That adds up considering the fact that we've got 43,200 minutes in a month. Another great job by Colorado Underground Detection.